Moissanite is providing great opportunity within the jewelry space. Pinterest searches for Moissanite engagement rings are up 294% since 2017. It's an eco-friendly option that is more than a fraction of the price of a diamond. Today we will go over 3 tips for bringing Moissanite into your cases. Add a selection of Moissanite into your bridal case that includes a run-up of most popular diamond sizes, from ½ carat to 3 carat, in both DEF and GHI, for a nice price point option to offer your customers. If your customer is looking for a bold luxury look, exotic Moissanites are just the thing. Ranging from 6 carats to 15 carats diamond equivalent weight, these statement centers are the perfect wow. Don't forget about the groom, with a selection of Moissanite that will be the perfect complement for your men's wedding bands. They are also great for men's ear studs, for that trendy groom who wants to make a statement. For more tips and tricks, visit Stuller.com. And for any of your gemstone questions or needs, give our team a call at extension 546.